Every single day, money is quietly leaving your bank account, and you're not doing anything wrong. You're not gambling. You're not overspending on coffee. You're just living your life. But there are 5 invisible money leaks draining roughly $3,000 from you every year. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. Leak 1, subscription creep, streaming, music, cloud storage. That meditation app you downloaded in January. The average person pays for 12 subscriptions. They only use 5. That's $600 a year gone. Fix. Audit your bank statement right now. Cancel anything you forgot existed. Leak 2, bank fees and low-yield savings. If your savings account is earning 0.01% interest while inflation runs at 3%, you're losing money by doing nothing. Add in monthly maintenance fees, ATM charges, and overdraft fees, and you're looking at another $400 to $700 per year quietly gone. Fix. Switch to a high-yield savings account. It takes 10 minutes. Leak 3, unused insurance add-ons. Roadside assistance, already covered by your credit card. Rental car coverage, already included in your auto policy. Extended warranties, statistically, you'll never use them. People are paying double for coverage they already have. Fix. Call your insurer. Ask what you're actually paying for. Remove the duplicates. Leak 4, impulse convenience spending. Delivery fees, surge pricing, last-minute purchases, $8 delivery fee, $3 tip, $2 service charge for a $12 meal. Do that 3 times a week and you've spent over $2,000 extra in a year. Fix. Batch your orders. Use pickup or just cook sometimes. Leak 5, loyalty points expiring and used. Airline miles, credit card points, hotel rewards. $300 to $500 in rewards expire for the average person every single year. Not because they don't earn them, because they forget to use them. Fix. Redeem your points quarterly. Set a calendar reminder right now. That's $3,000 a year. Every year. Not from big mistakes. From tiny leaks you never thought to look for. Pick one of these. Fix it this week. Then come back and tell me how much you found. Follow for more moves like this.